Welcome back, friends, to Melanie Design Studio, where small spaces become timeless and elegant. Today, we're exploring how the right shade of green can completely transform a small kitchen, making it feel brighter, more elevated, and effortlessly beautiful. Let's start with one of the most loved tones, sage green. This is perfect for small kitchens because it reflects light and keeps the space feeling open. It instantly makes compact areas feel brighter and more inviting. This soft, muted tone expands the space visually without overwhelming it. It's one of the simplest ways to make a kitchen feel larger without any renovations. What makes sage green so special is its versatility. It pairs beautifully with warm wood, marble, and soft, neutral tones. It also brings a sense of calm and balance to the space. Everything feels more intentional, more refined. Unlike darker shades, sage green adds color while still keeping the room light and airy, which is exactly what small kitchens need. And in a space this size, the right color doesn't just decorate, it completely transforms how it feels. But if you're looking for something with more depth and drama, dark green completely transforms the space. Dark green adds richness and contrast, giving even the smallest kitchens a more luxurious feel. It instantly makes the space feel more designed and intentional. When paired with gold or brass hardware, the entire kitchen feels elevated. Even the smallest details start to stand out. This deeper tone works beautifully with proper lighting. It creates shadows, contrast, and a more dimensional look. Unlike lighter greens, dark green brings presence and character. It turns the kitchen into a statement rather than just a functional space. The key is balance, pairing it with lighter countertops, backsplashes, or walls. This keeps the space from feeling too heavy. And when done right, dark green proves that even a small kitchen can feel bold, elegant, and truly unforgettable. And if you want the best of both worlds, combining green lower cabinets with white upper cabinets is one of the smartest design choices for small kitchens. It keeps the space feeling open while still adding depth and character. The white upper cabinets reflect light and prevent the space from feeling heavy, while the green below grounds the entire design. This contrast creates a perfect balance between brightness and personality. It's clean, but never boring. It also draws the eye upward, making the kitchen feel taller and more spacious. This is a technique designers use all the time in compact spaces because it instantly elevates the entire look. And when done right, it gives you the richness of green, without sacrificing light or openness. But if you want a space that feels warmer, more natural, and truly lived in, combining green cabinetry with natural wood instantly softens the space. It brings warmth that painted kitchens alone can't achieve. The contrast between wood and green creates depth without feeling heavy. It makes even a small kitchen feel grounded and balanced. Wood tones introduce texture, which is essential in smaller spaces. Without it, everything can feel flat and overly uniform. When used in upper cabinets or accents, wood breaks up the visual weight. It keeps the design interesting while still feeling cohesive. This combination feels more natural and timeless, like a space that has evolved over time, not just decorated all at once. It also helps connect the kitchen to the rest of the home, making the space feel more cohesive and less like a separate room. And when natural light hits those wood tones, it adds a softness that instantly makes the entire kitchen feel more alive. Because in the end, the most beautiful kitchens aren't just about color. They're about how the space makes you feel. And once you start seeing it this way, every kitchen begins to feel completely different. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe to Melanie Design Studio. And take a look at the next kitchen. There's so much more to explore.